Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What's your name?
My name is Sumaya.
Okay, your name is Sumaya. It's a very good name. She is my younger daughter. Please pray for her. And I told her, please don't play with the sand. But he didn't listen to me. He playing and enjoying. I'm also enjoying with her because he is playing. That's why I'm really enjoying with her. And please pray for her. One day he will be a English speaker. And that's why I'm talking with her and I'm try to teach her. And I'm not a teacher, but I'm trying to teach him. And please pray for me. One day I wanna be success, and one day my younger daughter will be success. It's my expectation. And my dear beloved brothers and sisters, have a look. Our farmers, they are giving water on the paddy field. It's awesome. That's why I showed everyone. See you soon next video. May Allah bless everyone.